Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It's a slow, peaceful morning outside our home. Everything looks fresh and green, but not every morning goes this smooth inside the house. Today, kids woke up a little late. Of course, I woke up a little late and missed their school bus. So, their father had to drop them at school, which rarely happens. And on such days, the morning becomes even more of a hustle. I have to rush and quickly prepare their breakfast. So you can imagine the kitchen turns into a complete mess. Once everyone leaves, that's when I actually start the rest of my work. Usually, kids leave first, and then after a couple of hours, my husband heads to his office. But today, they all left together. I had also told my house help to take a day off today because I wanted to cook something myself. I do that often just to make something special for my family with my own hands and also for me because sometimes I miss my own cooked food. So I started cleaning all the dishes first, then sat down for my breakfast, that's leftover neer dosa and fish curry from last night's dinner. And I love this quiet time of the day when everyone's gone to office and school and little Leon is still asleep. These peaceful moments are so precious. I really believe in having at least 1 hour of me time every single day, whether it's when Leon is sleeping or when I ask my family to take care of him for a while. And I just sit in my bedroom with the door closed, doing absolutely nothing. Leon usually wakes up around 10:30 in the morning, sometimes even 11. By that time, I start prepping for lunch. Today I decided to make fish biryani. I know it's another biryani recipe, but this is something that I love. I absolutely love. And that's okay, right? It's completely fine to cook something that you love once in a while because you're equally important in your family too. I got some fresh kingfish from the market and I knew it would be perfect for this biryani. Just when I started heating the oil and ghee to fry the onions, Leon woke up. So I turned off the flame and went to him. I usually change the bed sheets and blankets once a week, but every day I just give it a quick dust and flap so it feels neat and fresh. After giving him a bath and before feeding him his breakfast, I came back to the kitchen and thought, why not start frying the onions while managing everything in between. By the way, I have been using this pot for almost every dish lately. I'm totally obsessed with it. I got it from Trendyol at an offer price. I'll leave the link in the description box if you'd like to check it out. So now heating some oil and ghee, adding in the tomatoes and sauteing them well. The fried onions go in, keeping a bit aside for garnish. Next goes in crushed ginger, garlic and green chillies. You can find all the ingredients and its measurements in the description box. While that's cooking, I started on the rice. In the same oil ghee mix, adding a few whole spices and roasting the rice for a bit. Then pouring in hot water, double the amount of rice. Some salt, saffron for color, a pinch of the crushed ginger garlic chili mix. That's a handful of coriander leaves to the rice. Cover and let it cook. Back to the masala. The onions and tomatoes are soft and well blended. Adding salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder and black pepper powder. Then a small slice of butter. Then goes in some coriander leaves and curd. Now, I know many of you ask if curd and fish should be mixed. I actually asked my nutritionist about it. She said it could cause digestion issues for some people, according to Ayurveda. But honestly, I have been eating biryani with curd all my life. And since we don't eat it every day, it's totally fine. If you prefer to skip it, that's completely okay too. The rice is done. I have turned off the flame and let it rest. Finally, I added a splash of vinegar. You can also use lemon juice instead. And that's it, the base for a beautiful flavorful fish biryani. And to this masala, I simply added cleaned fish pieces, I don't usually fry them. I know many prefer frying to prevent the fish from breaking, but I feel when you add fish raw, the flavor becomes much more intense and the smell isn't fishy either. I actually forgot to take out a little masala to spread on top later, but that's okay, I somehow managed. Make sure the rice is hot when you start layering, so plan the timing accordingly. You need both the rice and the fish masala hot at the same time. On top, I garnished with fried onions and coriander leaves. I completely forgot the cashews and raisins. I'll fry those later. Once the steam comes through, keep it covered for a while even after turning off the flame. That's when the real magic happens. The steam carries all that flavor into the rice. When I finally opened it, the aroma was just heavenly. And that's our flavorful fish biryani ready. Each grain of rice was full of flavor. The fish turned out perfectly cooked, soft but not breaking apart, and the aroma that filled the kitchen, so comforting. You can even use the same method to make chicken biryani. I'll show that in another video soon. I was a little worried if my husband would like it or not. He's not a big fan of fish, but thankfully he loved it. He only took a small piece of fish, but he enjoyed the rice so much. He said it was full of flavor. After that heavy meal, skipping workout was definitely not an option. So, as some of you already know, I still follow ATP workouts and their routine, though I really need to be a bit more consistent. I've been looking to lose a few more kilos, so maybe I'll update you all about that in another video soon. The kids had stay back that day for their school program rehearsals, so they came home around at 4 pm. Tired, hungry, and ready to eat. That day served them the biryani right away, and seeing them enjoy it made all the effort worth it. So that's all for today's vlog, and before I end, I just want to say something to all the busy mothers there. You're doing so much every day for your kids, for your home, for your family, but don't forget you are a part of that family too. It's okay to pause, to breathe, to cook something just for yourself, and to have those little me time moments that recharge you. Motherhood isn't about being perfect, it's about finding joy in the small, messy, beautiful moments. So take it slow, be kind to yourself, and remember, you are amazing. So I'll see you in my next vlog. Until then, take care. Bye bye.